So now we want to offer it to God something. We want to give something to God. What else in this world can we give to God? Like for a small child, he wants to give some gift to his father for his father's birthday. What the small child of 5 years can give a gift to his father? He takes 10 rupees from his father and goes and buys some chocolate, and that chocolate offers it to his father. Father, happy birthday. And father accepts it with so much of love and concern. He hugs him, he kisses the child, and he says, thank you so much. And he tells the entire world that my small son, who is just 5 years old, gave me a gift for my birthday, and that is a chocolate. And is chocolate a very big thing in the world? But the father is feeling that happiness because a 5-year-old small child gave that as a gift. Similarly, what else the child can give to father? He doesn't have anything. So similarly, if we want to give something to God, what can we give? What is there? Because everything belongs to God. Ishavasyam idam sarvam yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Ishavasya, he is the controller of this entire creation. What does he need? So, whatever we give to God, it is just like going to Ganga. People go to Ganga and take the Ganga water and offer back to Ganga. What is so big deal about it? Otherwise, what else we can offer to Ganga? So, similarly, what we can offer to God? What we can offer to God? He is the owner, he is the controller of everything. So, whatever we give, we can give only those things available in the creation which is given by the Creator. And among them, earth, water, air, fire and ether are these 5 elements which the creation is made up of. And during worship, Pancharatra Vidhi, what do we offer to God? These 5 things. So, Bhumi we offer. How we offer Bhumi? By food, by offering food. Prasad, Bhoga, Naivedya. So, we offer the Bhoga and keep in front of the Lord and pray to God to accept that and make it as Prasad. Right? That is food. Food comes from Bhumi. So, Bhumi. Apa, water. So, we offer water to God. We keep water as offering to God. And Anala. And we take Anala, fire, Arati. This is the purpose of Arati. So, Arati is nothing but we are offering the fire element back to God. We take the fire and we offer it to God, and it is a sign of reciprocation. Anala, Vayu, air. All of you know this chamar. We take this chamar and we offer to God. Why? We are giving the air part and we are giving him a space in our house. So, in the temple there is a beautiful space, that is a space or ether. So, in worshipping we are offering all these 5 elements back to God. So, that is the point.